With more than 40 public stations, as well as several private stations for certain B2B partners, Flex is the biggest car-sharing provider in Luxembourg. Flex offers you solutions for both individuals and companies. In order to get your Flex card, which doubles as your car key, you have to make a one-time registration. We've reduced the registration process to the essentials, so it's quick and simple. During registration, you have the choice. We can send your Flex card right to your doorstep, or you can pick up your card from within the car you just booked. This is especially helpful if you want to drive off immediately. With our Flex app for Android and iOS, you can easily find the right car at the perfect station and book it. Simply choose a time, date, and location, as well as your preferred type of vehicle. Within moments, you'll receive a confirmation email with your vehicle number. It's very important that you inspect your car for any damages before you start driving. The last person to have used that car will be held responsible, so it's crucial that you notify our Flex Service Centre before using the vehicle in any way. Damages that have already been reported will be marked with a smiley sticker. Now everything is ready for your trip. Just use your Flex card to open and lock your car. Please note, when you bring your car back to its Flex station, make sure it's refueled to at least 1/3. This way, the next driver will be happy and you won't have to pay any fair play fine. Refueling your Flex is also very easy. In the center console, you'll find a DKV fuel card. With this card, you can refuel your Flex car at service stations with DKV acceptance. The matching code will be in your Flex app under the current reservation. Flex electric cars work in a similar manner. Please make sure to unplug the cable from the car first and then from the pole. Just store the cable in the boot and you're ready to go. You want to drive further? No problem. In the center console, you'll find a Chargy card with which you can charge your electric Flex for free at any Chargy pole. When you finish your trip, please make sure to charge the car again. First, plug the cable into the pole, then connect it back to the car. Did you know that Flex takes care of everything? Fuel costs, maintenance, insurance, and cleaning are of course included in the price. We look forward to meeting you.